If you've ever blocked someone on Google Drive by mistake, or maybe you've simply changed your mind, this video is going to fix that for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unblock users on Google Drive with a quick and simple method anyone can follow. And once you unblock someone, they'll immediately regain access to the files and folders you previously shared with them. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you aren't signed in yet, just enter your email and password so you can access your Drive dashboard. Once you're on the Drive homepage, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon, usually a small photo or the first letter of your name. Click on it. Here, you'll see several quick options, and the one we need is Manage your Google account. Click that and you'll be taken to a new page where all your Google settings are stored. Inside your Google account page, look at the menu. On the left side, find the section labeled People and Sharing and click on it. This is the place where Google keeps all your interaction and sharing controls for other users in the People and Sharing section. Scroll down a little until you find an option called Blocked. Click it and you'll see a list of every user you've blocked before. Now, if the person you want to unblock appears in this list, simply click the Unblock button beside their name. That's all you need to do. The unblocking takes effect immediately and they'll be able to interact with you through Google services again, including viewing any shared Drive files. Unless you've restricted them individually, you can repeat these steps for as many users as you want. If you've blocked multiple people in the past, you can unblock all of them right here without any extra steps or settings. And that's it. A clean, straightforward way to unblock users on Google Drive whenever you need to. It's quick, it's simple, and it gives you full control over who can access your digital space. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to leave a comment with any questions or issues you might run into. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your files on Google Drive. Happy Google Driving.